See the blade? Okay, so here's the trick. I'm gonna do this. That's the basic. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something different, okay? So you guys better be ready. So give me a minute. So this is my shotgun. Here's when it fires. Watch it when it fires. Here, I'll load this. Here's the shell. So yeah. And also, it actually fires full length as well. There's butterfly knives, I have guns, knives. Yeah, I have loads. Like, my favorite gun has to be this gun right here. The stock is comfortable. I guys hope you enjoyed this 10-minute long video on the shotgun and the knife. And I hope you enjoy it and have a lovely day, my nerfers. See ya.